Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Palworld not loading. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for Palworld updates, and you need to basically update your game to the latest version if it is not updated. So you can simply go on to the Steam and go on to the store, and here you can find the updates that you need to install. So here you can see that updates are there. So basically you need to update your game first. So once you complete the updates of your game, here you can see that this is the update. You can check that if your version is not updated, you need to update your game. So once you complete that, you simply need to check that you have a good internet connection. If you have not, you can check this. You can check internet speed on this website. So and open this website and make sure you have good internet connection. And once it is, you see that you have good internet connection, and then you need to restart your system, and after that your issue got resolved. So this is the process how you can fix Palworld not loading. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.